If I make gymnastics to make my back pain better,
Same thing.
same thing. So it could be.
You teach meditation, you could also design sofas. If you teach meditation to people, you could also help them by designing sofas, settees, beds. It just makes them feel better. It's all about making somebody feel better in their prison.
Yeah, but there's nothing bad in that. I mean, it's okay.
There's nothing bad in anything.
Yeah, sure.
Some sofas are better than others, but
Sure.
but of course there is nothing bad in anything. All there is what apparently happens.
Okay, I'm brushing my teeth twice a day.
Are you? That's good.
Yeah, that makes my mouth feel better. So my wife appreciated it.
And when you go and chat up the birds now are. But when you go and chat up the women,
Yeah,
that's also better, isn't it?
So, and my body feels better when I do my yoga.
Yeah.
It's like brushing my teeth.
Yeah.
Meditation is like brushing my teeth.
Absolutely.
It's good for
No
just
question.
relaxing.
Absolutely. Opening your chakras, especially your third chakra.
Sometimes my third chakra.
When you walked in, I thought, his third chakra was a bit blocked.